Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove the comment in a Word document. You are going to open your Word file. There you will see the comments available in the document. To delete it, you must go to the Review menu. There, click on Delete and then click on Delete all comments in document. This way you will have deleted the comment. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.